Welcome guys to another pattern drafting tutorial. Today we'll be looking at the application of contour guidelines, and the style for today's pattern drafting is halter neckline. Now this is a basic halter neckline with mandarin collar. Now we'll be looking at how to remove the gaping or looseness on the armhole area. Okay, so this is my pattern. This is my front pattern. So from where my basic neckline is, I'll step up by 3/4. You can do 1 inch if you want the mandarin collar to be very fitted, but I'm using 3/4 for this pattern. So if your basic neckline was 3 inches, you go up by 3/4. Okay, so you decide where you want your halter neckline to start from. That's along the neckline area to the armhole area. So I'm starting from there to that point, but my ruler couldn't get to the underarm area, so I'm just going to stop wherever my ruler can get to. Okay, so I'll just connect the neckline point there to this point here, forming a slanted line, which is a style line for my halter neck. Okay, so I'll be contouring this line, because if I'm to sew like this without contouring, you notice that your top gapes, or there is this looseness around the halter neckline area. So I'll contour this line. Now the two contours I'll be using are contour 2 and 3. So I'll start by marking my bust arc, just a little portion of my bust arc on this line here. So the bust arc is gotten from the difference between your bust point and under bust. So I just marked that on that line, and then I'll be adding my contour 2 and 3 together to save time. Okay, contour 2 is 3/8 and contour 3 is 1/4. So if you add 3/8 plus 1/4, you'll be getting a total of 5/8. Okay, so I'll be marking 5/8 at that point there where my bust arc is. 5/8. Then I'll connect that point to my bust point and also to my shoulder tip. So guys, that's the contour on my halter neckline there. So what I will do now is to take out the contour. I'll just fold that portion. I'll fold that portion, and you'll notice a shift in the line. The line has shifted, so I'll just redraw the line to get a perfectly straight line. So I'm going to open up my waist dart and close my bust dart so that I can work on the side. So I'll just tape down the contour 2 and 3. I'll just tape that down to keep it flat, and then I'll be adding an extra contour to the side, which is contour 8. Contour 8 is to eliminate armhole ease. Okay, and is 1/2. That's ½ inch. So I'll take ½ inch from that point and then connect to my waistline. I'll connect with a straight line to my waistline, and then I'll cut off this part. Now after doing these contours, contour 2, 3 and 8 on this pattern will be very fitted on me. There won't be any gaping around the armhole area. It will just sit perfectly. Okay guys, so this is it. This is all the contour that we'll be doing on this pattern. You can decide to change the style of your halter neckline. You can add gathers to the neckline area. You can add pleats. You can add pleats to the waistline area. You can do a lot. There are so many halter neckline style variations you can pick from, but this one is very basic. Okay, this is the basic halter neckline. Now for the neckline, you can decide to use the mandarin collar or drawstrings. So you just attach a channel on the neckline and add your strings to it. Okay, so this is it. This is my halter neckline pattern. Okay, so I traced it on fold on another paper so I can show you guys what the final result looks like. So I'll just close my waist darts, and this is it. Can you see how beautiful it looks? Okay, so this is it, my halter neckline pattern, contoured pattern, and this is how it looks on my dress form. The pattern is a bit bigger than the dress form size, and that's why it's looking so free. Anyway, it came out well and there won't be any gaping on the armhole. For the back pattern, I'll just draw the halter neck style line and do my contour 8, and that will be all that I'll be doing at the back neckline. Thank you for watching till the end. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.